Got some juice.
What you doing, Leo?
Yeah. Good. Again.
Uh-huh.
Again.
Oh boy.
Apple. Apple.
Leo, can you say hi?
Hey.
Hi.
Can you blow Daddy a kiss? Leo, what does the cow say? And what about a cat? What does mommy say? What does mommy say? What does mommy say? Hi.
Yeah, play.
You want to go play?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, play.
go play. We gotta clean you up. Are you all done?
Yeah, play.
No, we can play.
Yeah, play.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, play.
We're gonna play.
Yeah, play.
Do you want to play?
Okay.
Okay.
Up.
You need to get up.
You mean down? No.
Okay. Let's get you cleaned up so you can get down. Is that good oatmeal? Leo, who are you gonna go play with? Are you gonna go play Chi Chi? Where's Richie?
Leo, any comments?
He went to compete. Mommy, they are stuck. Opposite. He isn't staying.
Yeah. I know. You don't like it.
Yeah, play.
You want to play?
I wasn't available up to this time. Yeah, play.
You wanna go play?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure thing.